Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Analysis.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Tuesday, July 26th. The time is around 3:15 a.m. GMT. And today we're going to be updating the chart of the Dow. This is Dow Futures 60 minutes chart. We are looking for a Y leg to the upside, and within the Y leg it subdivides into an ABC, a zigzag structure. Okay, so as long as we stay above 39.49 here, we could see another leg up in the Dow futures. All right, so zooming out now to get an idea where we are. So just look at this one. This one is ending the X here, which is suggesting that the entire rally to the upside, this is going to be ending the Y leg, and so that will be a corrective structure, right? So that means by looking at this, we know that sort of the main trend still remains to the downside because the rally is corrective. Okay. So if I look at the 4-hour time frame, let's copy some of this label. So let's copy in the X here in the proper place. This is the X in the 4-hour. Okay, and then the A and a B here in the proper place right here. Okay, so what we are looking now is the idea that we might still see one more push higher to finish the C and to finish the Y, right? So something like this is what we expect, right? So we got this 1 2 3 4 could be doing a double maybe, but that's just a shorter cycle. It's not really relevant. Okay, and that will be ending our C leg. Okay, now the fifth wave cannot be that long because otherwise your wave 3 is going to be in the shortest wave, this one, right? So this is approximately what we are looking at now. We got this XY, and then that means this is your W, right? So we are looking at the rally that started from this low, which is June 17, right? June 17 right here. So from the June 17, we got this WXY structure on the upside, and once it reaches the target on the upside here, we can measure it using the Fibonacci as always. So using the extension tools, we can find potential target on the upside. So right here, ideally this is a target level between 32 321 33 691. Then from here we can potentially finish the cycle. Now when we finish this cycle, we have two options. Either we're gonna go to new low because it is a corrective structure after all, or we're gonna end a bigger like degree W again here, and then do a bigger 3-ways pullback like this. Okay, and then go up again afterwards, right? So if this is really a corrective structure, which is what we are showing, then it should not be going all the way up to 33,691, because if it does continue to extend higher impulsively here, this entire rally could turn to become a 5 waves, like a 1 2 3 4 5. Now within the first leg, it's kind of it doesn't look very clear whether this is a 5 waves or not, but I can easily call this like a ABC zigzag as well. So for now we're calling this like a 3 waves rally, right? And so again, assuming this is corrective, we shouldn't go to 33,691. We should fail here in this area, and then either we go to new low or we go into a 3-ways pullback. All right, so we're gonna be soon finding some sort of resistance in the Dow futures here. So that's the update here for today. And as always, if you do want to check our service, we have 14 days trial. The link is provided in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.